So this is my home office and I'm pretty happy with my desk setup. But my wife's setup on the other hand needed a bit of attention. Her laptop stand is kind of chunky and ugly and it gets in the way of her mouse. We tried a few other stands, but when set to the distance that my wife feels comfortable with, they all had the same issue of getting in the way. Then I came across this, called the Kogan Full Motion Gas Spring Dual Monitor Mount with Laptop Holder Combo, for just 70 New Zealand dollars including shipping, which works out to be about $44 at the time of filming, which is about a third the cost of my wife's current mounting / stand setup. Now this dual arm would raise the laptop off the desk and free up some desk space for her, but I was a little apprehensive. Could a cheap monitor arm be better than a more expensive one? Well, it was worth a shot, so yeah, why not? And about a week later, it arrived. I won't bore you with the whole time-lapse thing of setting it up, we'll just go straight to the end result. And here it is. I think it looks pretty good. There are no stands getting in the way, looks clean and minimal. It has these optional attachments to help secure your laptop, and these little feet that flip up if you have a thick laptop that needs a bit of extra support. It lifts up and down. So does this bit. Cable management was actually better than the more expensive arm, and here's a shot from the back. The stand itself, even though it has two arms, felt lighter and less solid than the more expensive single arm, but the build quality was fine, I can't fault it, and actually the lightness made it easier to install and set up. Also, surprisingly, it was much more secure in holding the monitor's weight. Between the two, cheap wins. So I guess the moral of this video is sometimes cheaper can be better. So I'm going to see what else I can downgrade.